Hi all, this is Steve May, the market chartist on behalf of ForexFraud.com, and we're now going to take a look at both the euro and the yen versus the US dollar, and the far more negative shift for the US currency versus both the euro and the yen in here over the last week, with the surge higher in euro dollar and the sell-off in dollar yen, signalling a far more bearish tone we feel within G3. That's within the dollar euro Japanese yen complex. We're looking for a more bearish US dollar tone versus those two currencies. So first of all, here the euro chart, the daily euro versus dollar, a break above 110.60, 110.96 levels in here, surging up for a key retracement level at 111.23. Upside bias, although we do see a correction lower potentially in the early part of this week, going through mid-February and into the second half of Q1, into the second half of February, we're looking for higher targets up here at 112.86, 113.95 and 114.95. But there is a correction for a risk for a correction lower in the early part of this week potentially. Looking at the Japanese yen, far more bearish tone for the dollar here, and we'd already had this significant sell-off we know through December, January with the equity market breakdown in here, but the rebound in here, particularly at the very end of January from the Bank of Japan changing monetary policy, completely rejected last week by the plunge lower that we saw to start February through this important 117.62 level, now aiming at the low for this year at 115.96. This low here is 115.57 from December 2014. So 115.96, 115.57 at risk. Again, potential for a little rebound, but we're looking at these lower targets into mid-February, and then much bigger pitch. If we go all the way out to a weekly chart in here, you can see this topping pattern in here, a multi-year topping pattern for dollar yen, and real risk for a more significant sell-off into February down towards a 113, maybe 110. This has been Steve May, the market chartist on behalf of ForexFraud.com, and I wish you a great trading week.